We welcome to all the ULB officials who are working on the PESA portal. As all of you know that PESA portal is a portal for the affordable credit and interest subvention access. The purpose of this portal has been to the seamless crediting of interest subvention in the beneficiary accounts through the digitalized manner. This is the home page of the PESA portal. ULB is required to log into the page by putting the user ID and password. So you just see the screen on that. Enter your user ID and password. While you log into by putting the ID and password, you just go to your home page. In their home page, now as you all are aware that since the DAnnualem MIS portal and PESA portal are integrated, the beneficiary data which are available in the DAnnualem MIS portal are fetched in PESA portal. Please click on the PESA MIS integration. You see that, you just click here. You will find there is an integration tab. Select the report type. There are two types of reports: MIS data reports, MIS gap data reports. Now click on the MIS data reports. You will see there is a criteria. User can select the MIS data reports on the basis of various criteria. Like one is PESA, pending at bank, pending at ULB. PESA means whatever the master has been approved by the ULB in the PESA portal. You will fetch all the records which are approved by the ULB's user. Pending at bank, it means banks need to be upload the master data on the basis of loan account number given in the DAnnualem MIS portal. Pending at ULB need to rectify the record in the MIS Annulem portal on the basis of remarks given by the bank. It is very important task for the ULB. ULB kindly download the reports and see the remarks. On the basis of the remarks, ULB required to make the amendments in the DAnnualem MIS portal of NIC. Click on all to view the reports. You just see there, you can click on view report. You see the reports status. Status will be appear. Download the detailed reports for your record and save the reports and do the work. Now there is other reports are PESA MIS gap data reports. It means the data, it will show you all the data which are approved in PESA but not in the DAnnualem MIS portal. It has been approved by the ULB but not available in the DAnnualem MIS. ULB need to make the data entry of these records in the DAnnualem MIS portal. Click on view report. ULBs are required to download the detailed reports. Just click on that and you will download the reports here. You save the report to your system. Now click on the home page. Now the major task of the ULB is the approval and verification of the master data as per their records are available. Now click on the ULB actions. There is an action. Click on action. There is a two status: approve master data and view claim data. Select approve master data. Click on fetch button to approve or decline the master data as per your records in your register or in your manual form, either whatever the ULB are using. Now click on the view claim data and ULB user can see the claim data. Now click on home page, click on forum. ULB user are required to click on the forum. Forum is basically used for where the ULB can put any their query there, and basically the peoples who are on the PESA portal, they can update or put the replies on their query. Now go to the home page, reports. Report section is the reports which are available for the ULB users. Now the right side there is an arrow of click on the all banks, select bank, select period, date. The various report type are available, the master data, claim data and the claim process report. The most important is the claim process report and the master data report. Master data report ULB can use as on date to see all the status of the master data as on date or period wise available. Claim data can be viewed by ULB period wise. Claim process report, the status report of successful interest subvention credit to the beneficiary account. Click on to the view report, just view report. You see that there is a grid of report. Export report status will be appear. Now the user will see there export to Excel. Click on export to Excel and download the report and save your report. Now click on MIS button. The various reports are available in the MIS section. Select the report type, that is master rejection report, master pending report, master approved report, consolidated claim reports. The consolidated claim reports, ULB can see the claim status of all the beneficiaries in the consolidated claim reports. Select period and date and click on view report. You just see your reports in the section and export to Excel. Click this button to download report and work accordingly. Save your report. Now in the last page we have given you all the various reports which are available for the ULB users. ULB can see what are the report name, what are the options are available, purpose of this report, and download the formats or what is the path. Okay. Thanks.